Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion Reviews. You're watching not a movie review, and right now I am not going to be reviewing The Fate of the Furious. Yaar, what a mazdar movie. Fast and Furious, like all these Dwayne Johnson, Vin Diesel type films, opens in beautiful Cuba. जहां perfect Coca-Cola in-film branding aside, अपना Dom is literally racing a ball on fire because ego and because just that cool, while 50 bikini babes and skater boy dudes cheer him on. The team has officially called it quits. Dom and Letty are on their honeymoon, and that's all you need to know because baki sab are not important enough to be given a backstory. But when a mysterious woman called Cypher, Furious May Furiosa, Charlize Theron shows up looking hot as all hell in jean shorts and ganji, she convinces Dom not just to come out of retirement, but also to go up against his own crew.
He's about to go up against the only thing they can't handle. You.
How does she find him? What does she got on him? Are those dreadlocks? Does he prefer blondes over brunettes? क्या खुद का नाम रखा था साइफर या फिर माँ बाप को पता था कि ये बड़े होकर कंप्यूटर्स में जाएगी? विन डीजल तो यार ना थोड़ा अपना सा लगता है, especially after all the love shown to him by Indian media.
Diesel, back.
Welcome to India again.
Welcome to
Hey, takle.
Hey, Diesel! Even though sometimes you can't tell what movie franchise this is. Xander Cage का scene इधर, F8 का उधर, ऐसे डाल दो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. I don't mind watching him do the same thing here again because there's a fantastic cast with mazedar characters to distract you from Diesel, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. He's the highest paid actor in the world. Nothing, I just wanted to let that sink in for a while. He's rich, hot, a natural actor, hilarious as fuck, a singer, और मेरी पीसी का दोस्त है वो. Here he returns as Luke Hobbs. काफी लफड़े एटसेट्रा हो गए थे विन डीजल के साथ apparently because some of his scenes were cut out from the film and you don't want to get the Rock angry. But ऐसा नहीं है कि there isn't enough of him in the film. अच्छा खासा लंबा चौड़ा रोल है, very fulfilling. The rest of the cast, actors we in India mostly see just in the Fast Furious series, Ludacris, Michelle Rodriguez, etc. Swag से भरपूर as always. Charlize Theron is the new addition and is perhaps the most undercooked character in the film. Not fearsome enough. All we know about her is that she used to have a pixie cut before the controversial dreadlocks, is a cyber terrorist, and likes to use idioms like, let's get this baby on the road, let's get this party started. Hashtag Muhavra enthusiast. Jason Statham makes an appearance too, and we learn about his brother, played by every guy would like to be you, Gaston, Manje Luke Evans. लेकिन उसका सिर्फ गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है. अभी ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट लगी हो ना, खत्म तो होने तो पहले. ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट ने ट्रैप्ड से ज्यादा पैसे कमाए, पता है? स्पीकिंग ऑफ पैसे, I don't remember a damn thing about Fast and Furious 7 except the Wiz Khalifa song See You Again and the fact that the movie made 10,000 crores. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much पैसा today, but it's just incredible कि हम 100 करोड़ में सक्सेस पार्टी थ्रो करते हैं. I understand parameters और reasons सब अलग-अलग हैं, but यार एक छोटे से देश के GDP से ज्यादा होते हैं 10,000 करोड़. What makes the Fast and Furious films so awesome is despite them flipping a giant bird to science and logic, they are such spectacles. ट्रेलर में जितना दिखता है उतना तो मतलब कुछ नहीं है. Chase sequences crafted to perfection, never seen before stunts, and always upping the ante in terms of action. These movies are a thorough treat for fans of this genre. And funny also when it needs to be. Dame Helen Mirren plays Jason Statham's mother, makes a brief appearance और क्या चपत लगाती है अपने बेटे को चंडीगढ़ की चाय जी की तरह. It's hilarious. इतनी बमबारी, इतनी मार काट के बाद भी जब you leave the theater with a huge grin on your face, it's partly got to do with the closing credits song Good Life. Check it out, it's awesome. And partly because that's exactly how director Felix Gary Gray wants you to feel. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, The Fate of the Furious is 2,800 crores expectation hai opening weekend box office collection. Just saying. Fun fact, Michelle Rodriguez, who plays Letty here, dated Zac Efron a couple of years ago. I mean, अपने को ना Michelle मिलनी है ना Zac. एक subscriber मिल जाए नया है इधर, please.